Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to create a new branch in GitHub and use that. Let's say we want to make a new branch from our existing branch and name this to develop. Okay, and now at the place of main we work want to work in our dev branch for some experimental purpose. For that you need to first switch your branch. To switch your branch you need to use git fetch and git checkout and your branch name develop. Okay, now you switch to this branch and when you move here and okay, and now you need to do same thing here, git check git fetch and git checkout main git fetch and git checkout develop. Okay, now our branch is changed to develop and let's say we do some changes in our develop branch. Let's say we will add some random buttons here on our layout file and yes, we add some random button here, so you can see I have add one button. Now I want add this image view. Okay, and now I save this. Okay, now I save this. After saving I want to push this code on my newly created branch. Okay, add git commit m and here you will say modify layout file with button with adding button and image view. Okay, and push this origin and develop. Okay, now you can check in this branch, push less than a minute. Now you can check in this branch we have a linear layout and in this commit you can compare both the branches, like what is the difference. Here you can see these are the differences, like in a main earlier this test view is exist but right now button and these thing is exist. Okay, so means in a main branch in this file there is only test view, but in a dev branch the test field and image view is added. Okay, so let's say we want to that's all for this video. In our next video we will learn how to open GitHub public project into Android Studio, as well as open cloned project that is already exist on GitHub and in Android Studio. So thank you very much.